friends, welcome to our channel Arc India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DC September 2021. In this video, we are going to discuss few important questions from reasoning ability, and this is going to be part R3 for reasoning ability. Part R1 and R2 are already uploaded on the same channel. Now question first, study the following figure and answer the following question. How many only BTech graduates are employed? So first of all, you have to focus on only. It has been asked only. So BTech graduates are in triangle and employed are in circle. So common portion of triangle and circle, this and this. But this portion is also common in degree graduate. So this portion is the only common portion. So answer will be 2. In the following question, select the related letters numbers from the given alternatives. 666 is equal to 15 and 888 will be equal to. So there is a very interesting logic. 666. There are 3 terms, 6, 6 and 6. First of all, do the cube of 6, do the cube square of 6 plus 6. We are just raising the power of, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. And it will be equal to 216, it will be equal to 36, it will be equal to 6. Now, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 5. And now 2 as it is. Now 2 plus 5 plus 8. It is equal to 15. So this is how 666 is represented as 15. First of all, for first place, raise the power 1. For second place, raise power to 2. For third place, raise power to 3, and then add their value, and after adding the value, then do the sum of all digit of that number, and it will be equal to 15. And similar thing we have to do here. 8, 8, 8. So it will be equal to 8 plus 8 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 3, and 8 cube is equal to 512. 8 square is equal to 64 plus 8. So 8 plus 4, 12, plus 2, 14, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8. And 5, 584. Then do the sum for this. 4 plus 8, 12, plus 5, 17. So option C will be correct. I hope this was an interesting logic for you. Now, here is a square matrix and we have to solve this. So this is first row, this is second row, this is third row. And this is first column, second column, third column. Now, first of all, try to solve this. And if you try to focus on it, here difference of these two numbers is 3. And if we divide 27 by 3, it will be equal to 9. And here also, difference of 8 and 3 will be equal to 5. And if we divide 45 by 5, it will be equal to 9. So similar thing should be here also. What should be here so that the difference of them becomes equal to 18 divided by 9, that is equal to 2. So difference should be 2 and it is 4. So here should be only 6, because 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So here should be 6. 6 is correct answer. Now, in the question below are given 2 statements followed by some conclusion. You have to take the given statement to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known fact. Read all the conclusion and then decide which of the following conclusion logically follows from the given statement, disregarding commonly known facts. Some blacks are white. So these are blacks, and some blacks, not all blacks. So few portion of black will be common to white. Now some white are orange. So some portion of white will be common to orange. Now conclusion. Some orange are white. Yes, it is true. We can see from this Venn diagram, and this is called Venn diagram. And now some black are orange. So this is not true because no portion of black is common to orange. So only first follows. So this is correct answer. Now select the figure that can replace the question mark in the following series. So first of all, let us focus on the square. So square is moving from here to here, then here, then here. So it is moving like this, and if it is moving like this, after this it should be this position. So square should be here. Now arrow is moving to this place, and after that this, after this. So arrow is moving like this, but it is also changing its direction at the same time. So as it is moving in this direction, so after this it should be at this place, and at the same time it also changes its direction every time. So here it should be, and its direction is downward, so it should be upward this time. So correct answer will be first option, because in this only option we are getting these two things. This is not correct because square should be at this place. This is not correct as arrow should be at this place, and here, and this option is matching to a certain extent, but direction is downward, so this is wrong. Direction should be upward only. Now select the figure which when placed in the blank space of the figure marked X would complete the pattern. So we have to find which of these four will complete this figure. So here you have to focus and compare this. This portion is not in this, so this will not be correct. And now from this, and this is obviously very different, so this will not be. And these two options are considerably same, but there is difference. Here is this line, but there is no line here, so this will be wrong. So this is your correct option. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel.